to see your confession now. Confess it. No coronavirus in my family in Jesus' name. Confess this now in Jesus' mighty name. Confess it. Decree this now. Don't just hear it. I know there are people who like ignoring when God is speaking. All right? I say declare it. No coronavirus in my family in Jesus' name. Declare it. Declare it yourself. Declare it. No coronavirus in my family in the
kuna wana bojalwa jo bo hiteletseng selekano plus glue mo mataratso ganja kat ntswa lifulu a di lifulu gore ke bang kore ke dio teng gore ga o di tsere tsotlhe at once ke tshware ka go tega sala kana re batho ba bana ba ba tona decree shut up.